Hi, I'm going to explain you how to remove the shipping method based upon the user selection of delivery or shipping. Say for example, let's first remove this. So now when the user will go to the delivery, we will be having two shipping methods, flat rate and standard. Now suppose you don't want for the delivery you are considering as a local delivery, so you don't want to offer them standard shipping. So what you can to do is you have to right click on this and then find the name for this method, which is value. This is flat rate. This is this flat rate 24. You have to copy this and you have to put it in this, sorry, in the shipping method. And the second one, that is the standard shipping. You don't want to offer them the standard shipping on delivery, so you have to copy this, the name of the value of the standard that is assigned with the shipping method in here. If you have more shipping method, you can add it with the comma and their name, comma and the value, comma and the value. You likewise you can add more shipping method that you want to remove from the delivery. So right now I have removed the standard shipping from the delivery, and likewise I have removed the flat rate from the shipping. So what will happen now is when you will refresh the page for delivery, it will have flat rate. You can see the standard shipping has gone away. Likewise, when the user will select shipping, flat rate will go away and only standard shipping will be available to him. Okay. Apart from that, you can control other things for the shipping. If you don't want to give them option of date and time for the shipping, you can disable it from here. And if you want to give them timing option, you have to insert those timing from here. I hope after this you can install and set up the plugin.